Today in this video we will show how to make a private story on Snapchat. Make sure this is the same process for Android as well as iOS. Now let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your device. Once you are here, then tap on Bitmoji profile at the left top corner. This would open your profile. Now here, tap on New Story. Next, you will need to tap on Private Story. Here select the people who can see your private story. After select the people, name your private story. You can write here whatever you want. After this, tap Done. To edit your private story settings, simply tap on 3 dots in front of private story. Autosave snaps to memories, simply tap on toggle on here. To change your private story name, tap on Rename Story, and here you can edit your private story name. After Rename Story, simply tap Done to save changes. Tap on See Viewers to add more people. After changes, simply tap Save. To add private story, first tap on Add to Private Story, then tap Add to Story. So now take a picture which you want to add in your private story. You can see that story is successfully uploaded. To delete this story, tap on Delete Private Story, then tap Delete. So that's the way to make private story on Snapchat. I hope this video will helpful to you. Please subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.